It's Monday, around 2, and we're actually getting sprinkles of rain. Finally. Of course, Miss Piggy. But look, they're hungry. Because they're all eating out of one bowl. I couldn't cast it because we put poison down for the ticks and the bugs. But they're eating out of one bowl. See, look at little T. Little T ain't afraid of nobody. He is a trip. There he is. A little fella, you didn't get none. You know your mom will come back down there. There he is. What are these running to? Oh, they are really hungry. That's Granny. Hey, Granny. Going after the feeder? Oh, my goodness. The rain brings them out. I remember when I first moved here, that's when I could see the deer. When it rained. Peekaboo. Hey, T. Hey, little T. Sun's not shining, so I don't see all the white. Oh, I can't believe it's raining. Finally, sprinkling. I'll take the sprinkle. It's been months, y'all. Hey, sweetheart. No wonder I was back there still asleep. I did cast a little, but not where we put down the bug tick stuff. Peekaboo. Look at him. I need to plant him some clover. Y'all really hungry. Whoops, what was that about? There's our little T. I'm looking for something, Mama. I'm looking for any little scrap. But it being 2 in the afternoon, they're just wandering. Alright, not much more to stare at. Go back inside and get me some coffee. I'm so blessed with the rain. We really needed the rain. Hey, baby. Mama, I'll give you some more in a minute. All the rest of them will leave and you'll stay. I'll slide down there. Alright, peace out, y'all.